we are going little slowly.
Ka Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority haringkat kajing stok tilang pag state level bankers committee kamiglaya hne kaski kala Pynlong ya ka outreach program Halor ka Atal pension Yojana ha kodi at marriage Shillong Uchaman ka Pfrda udipak monti ha bakrench kala patai khubor labatai ba ka Atal pension Yojana ka thmu nak bentaki riu shimet ki ba ka jing yo kaduna bat kitu ki bam yo bentai ki bai bam bakan thop ki nong trei karep karyang bat ki trai jo ki kam khai berit ka skim ka terwaru ya ki bai bam na do shi hajar tingka hadu san hajar tingka kat kum ka jing sinyang ki riu shimen ki ban na do riu postnam ka kerta bat kani ka program ka jo ka por ka thmu ban kin tiu ka jing beso tho ha pedeng ki jaka kan show bat ki nong trei ba khmat ban pen bun ki jing pen rum kerteng
pension, because if you're working in an organized sector in a company which gives you pension, but people working in agriculture, small businesses, they don't have access to pension. So APY gives a pension between 1,000 to 5,000 rupees. So people would have to contribute to the scheme, and so it has three benefits. At the age 60, the person gets pension depending on his or her contribution. If he or she passes away, the spouse gets similar amount of pension. Both of them pass away, then the accumulated amount, whatever they have put, along with interest, is given to the next of kin.